Hello everybody, I got this new console skin for the Nintendo Switch from consoleskinworld.com and I'm gonna show you how to put it on. As you can probably already tell, we have a few parts here to go with the entire set of the Nintendo Switch. Let me just open it real quick. Okay, so we got this part right here, which probably goes to the Joy-Con and the grip. This part right here, which probably goes to the console itself right here on the back. And this part right here, which covers the front and back of the dock. I'll probably start with the controllers. As you can see, we have only one side to those. And I'll start with the middle one. Okay, so it also has the holes for the light thingies. There we go. Now I'm gonna use the right one. Oh, it's gotta come off where the buttons go. Now for the left side. Gotta take off the minus sign right here. Great. Now I'll go to the console itself. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, this one goes to the dock, I'm sorry. There we go. This one goes on the back. See, I should have known. They made these specifically. With all the markings for every part. And this one's for the back side. perfect fit. Now we're gonna put it all back together. Like this. And there you have it. This is my cool new Switch skin. Thanks for watching.